Hi, I'm Bruce Schwartz. This is the picture I took of the surface of the moon. This is as close as I was able to get so far. As we know, there are different levels to the surface of the moon to be able to see the clarity of the different structures due to their sizes and atmosphere, of course, and optics. But take a look at this photo color, high definition. This was at 1,000 millimeters zoom.
So we're going to look into detail this building here. Okay, I want you guys to see it in detail. We all said, I got great comments, it was an amazing picture. We see the object in here that's inside of the crater, but right down here, these are structures, okay? You can see them, the structures, all here, placed. Comes up here, that structure here, dome pill-like structure here, structures on top here, which are pretty big. If we zoom up, we will see another level of structures inside and amongst these larger structures as here too. Right away up here, look at the side of the crater. No doubt about it, this is a wall here. You can see that there's a part of a wall behind my magnifying glass here. This part of the wall is flat, and it goes upwards here, a very symmetrical road-like path the whole way through and around, which what looks like a crater, which is not at all a crater, it's an entrance, an opening. Comes here, and here, look at this massive towering object right here with two symmetrical bars coming up here. This is down here, structure on the bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 symmetrical, geometrical shaped structures here. Square, a little blurry. Here, a dam-like wall sideways that comes down here, comes down here, comes down here. Straight wall here, comes down here in a slant. Inside, we can actually see entrances and massive tower-like structures inside of these entrances here. Massive entrance right here. Straight edge right here. Lots of structures at the bottom here. Massive symmetrical, geometrical, square-shaped structure right here. This is the wall that you can all see very well. But this wall also has structures on them as I look closer. As we get closer, there are always more and more structures. Always more and more structures. And the people I'm talking with on YouTube and on Google, on the internet in general that are doing this, are always talking to me about the height, about how high you are. When we see this, we'll say, all right, we're on the ground surface. Yay! But we're not yet. See, I'm getting in closer, and we're seeing more little structures here. I know for a fact, I bet if we zoom in, there'll be even smaller structures there. It's the same thing on Earth if you're coming in with a plane. It's just that we don't go up to 80,000 feet or 100,000 feet. We're not used to looking at the world from that height. But this curved edge wall here that was made around here is an object that was made. Ask yourselves, guys, we're allowed to know what went on. Isn't this just enough proof right there? You can see in here the wall coming down here, coming around there, massive tower here, structures in the bottom here. These are the ones that we saw later. There's more here we can't see. Two installations right here. There's one there, symmetrical, square geometrical shape there. One here too. Entrance, same principle as this, but further away and smaller in size. This is massive. And when you zoom out, you can't see them at all. Not only can you not see these structures, my friends, you can't even see these little crater-like areas, which is not a crater. There's an entrance here, there's two domes right here, structures, and this was dug out, okay? They dug out the entire moon to look like maybe a few structures, maybe a few craters that were already on the moon. But this picture is a color picture that we can see structures on the surface of the moon, the near side of Earth, okay? We should be allowed to know why this is here. NASA has to have seen this. And as for Hubble optics, I'm going to tell you all something, okay? Well, the ones that are telling me that I'm wrong. I'll tell you one thing. Let's make it plain and simple. If Hubble says that the optics are basically impossible even for a Hubble telescope to reach the surface of the moon, why am I seeing this installation? No matter how high this installation is, my friends, it's not 80,000 feet high. So I am under 10,000 feet view.